Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this video we're going to begin to fill out the late update function. So let's come inside and we're going to create of type string, and we want an array by opening and closing the square type of brackets. This allows us to assign more than one value to this string, and we'll give this a naming convention of underscore joystick names, and we're going to say it's going to be equal to input dot get joystick names. We'll open and close brackets, we'll close the line off. In the comments we'll use that naming convention of underscore joystick names, and we're going to say it's going to equal, and we'll say get joystick names from inbuilt input, and we'll come below here. So Unity has inbuilt inputs for all different types of joysticks, and they have names. So we get the list of joysticks that Unity has, we assign it to this array which has this naming convention, and then below we'll say for, and we'll open and close brackets, we'll open and close. Now we'll come inside this first set of brackets here and we'll say int, and we just need a variable of underscore JS for joystick, and we're going to make that equal to 0, semicolon, the same as if we was closing a line off. So we're going to set this naming convention to be equal to 0 here. Then we're going to say underscore JS is less than the less than symbol, the joystick names dot length, semicolon. So this will automatically have a value which is going to be equal to all the joystick names within Unity. We set this value to 0 if this value is less than the length of this string, which it will be. Then we say underscore JS plus plus, which just means to increase the counter. So we can put that simply in the comments saying JS, in fact let's say increase counter underscore JS based on joystick names length. I think that will do for the comments. As always, you can word your comments any way you like, and hopefully you understand how this line works. If you want a more in-depth explanation, please check the Unity website or leave a comment below, and I will always try my best to answer for you. But with that said, let's come inside this set of brackets now, here and here. And we're going to say if, we'll open and close brackets, we'll open and close again. Again, we'll come back inside this first set of brackets and we'll say underscore joystick names. And then we want square brackets underscore JS dot length double equals 19. So why the value 19? Well, a PS4 controller value is the value 19 within Unity. So 19 means a PS4 controller within joystick names within Unity itself. So let's get that into the comments. If joystick name, and we'll say equals code 19 underscore PS4 controller equal true, in the comments set PS4 controller to true, next line, and obviously a controller is detected, so that can be equal to true as well. We'll close the line off, into the comments set a controller detected to true, and we want to enter there after the first closed brackets. And we can actually copy this whole if block. We'll paste that in, and we need to change this to the code for the Xbox controller, which is code 33. Change the comments there, and in this case we can set Xbox controller to true. We'll change the comment. Controller detected true can remain the same. We'll enter there. We'll say if open and close brackets will come inside the brackets. Underscore joystick names. Open and close the square type of brackets again. Underscore JS. Dot length again. And we want the exclamation mark equal 0. We'll come to the comments. If joystick names does not equal 0. So that's what this means. When rather than using a double equals, which means if it does equal, this means does not equal. So if it does not equal 0, which means we have a controller detected, we can just return. So we'll say return, we'll close the line off, and in the comments we'll say then do nothing and return. We'll enter again there, and we'll say if open and close brackets. And we're going to say string dot is null or empty. We'll open and close brackets again. Again, we'll come inside those brackets. Joystick names. We'll open and close the square type of brackets. And inside those brackets, we'll say underscore JS. So basically, all we're saying is if this string is equal to null or empty, which basically means that we do not have a controller detected. So if string is null / empty, i.e. no controller detected, we'll enter there. We'll say underscore controller detected is going to be equal to false. We'll close the line off, in the comments then set controller detected to false, and we are going to save that off there. So we've got the code in place. Now in the late update, we may need to add some more code at a later date, but I just want to get things up and running to begin with. And on that note, we still have another script to create before we can test this out. So please do not worry if the project does not work as of yet. It's not supposed to until we get the other script finished. So please be aware of that, and them videos will be coming very shortly. But I think we'll leave it here for now. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.